A mirror seems to swap your left and right while keeping your head above your feet. But the strange truth is that it does neither. A flat mirror only reverses one direction, the direction pointing straight into the glass. In simple words, it swaps front and back. Up stays up, and the side on your right stays on your right. Try this with 3 imaginary arrows. Point one toward the ceiling, its reflection still points up. Point another toward the right-hand wall. Its reflection also points toward that wall, but point an arrow straight at the mirror, and the reflected arrow points back toward you. That is the real reversal. A plane mirror creates a virtual image. Virtual simply means the image appears to be behind the glass, even though no object is actually there. Every point seems to sit as far behind the mirror as the real point is in front of it. It is like the mirror has copied the room onto the other side of an invisible wall. So why does your right hand seem to become a left hand? Because left and right depend on which way a person is facing. Imagine 2 people standing face to face. Ask both of them to point to their right. They point in opposite directions, even though neither person is confused. We normally interpret a reflection as another person facing us. The hand that remains on our right would be called the other person's left, from their point of view. The mirror did not move the hand across the glass. We changed the label when we imagined standing in the reflection's position. This also explains why writing looks backward. The mirror preserves the top, bottom, left and right positions on its surface, but it reverses which side of the writing faces toward us. Letters are not symmetrical front to back, so their reflected shapes have the opposite handedness. A common comparison is an inside-out glove. It is useful because an inside-out right glove has the shape of a left glove. But the mirror is not physically turning light inside out. It is reflecting every point across one flat plane. Here is a little-known test. Place a mirror flat on the floor. Now the direction straight into the mirror is downward. Its reflection points upward, so the scene appears flipped vertically, like a landscape reflected in a calm lake. The mirror never chooses left, right, or up, down. It only reverses the direction perpendicular to its surface. What looks like a horizontal flip is really a front-back reflection combined with the way we compare ourselves to someone facing us.